Hey everybody, this is Vinny with Excel Distance Calculator channel. I want to show you a product that I built that takes advantage of the Google Maps API to generate distances directly into your Excel spreadsheet. Now, if you've ever worked with APIs before, you know that they're messy and require quite some programming know-how. My question and what I was trying to do was to create something that takes away the hassle of trying to write code and build it in an easy to use, what you see is what you get type of interface. So this is what the Excel Google Maps Distance Calculator does. Let me show you how it works. Once you've created the API key, and I addressed this on my website on how to do that, very easy to do as the purpose of another video, you paste that key into the application, which is built in Excel. The next thing you do is paste or enter your to and from addresses, and the tool will do the rest, generating the driving distance and driving time directly from Google Maps into your spreadsheet. It's as easy as that. As my software is built in Excel, there is nothing to install. Just paste or enter your data, click the conveniently located calculate button, and the tool will do the rest. And this will work on Macs or PCs as long as you have a recent version of Excel installed in your computer. You can download the software from the link in the description of this video. You'll also find the contact information, the phone number, my phone number, on the description and on the website. I've been doing software, been building logistics software for the last 13 years. And if there is any type of tool that you need that will make your life easier, just reach out. Until next time.